Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Maxine with Tink and I Treasures. Welcome back to my studio. Today we have a new unboxing from Grabie. This is September art box. And this is mid-September right now, 2023. So you might be able to get over there and buy the September box if you see something in here that you think, oh, I like that. Okay, so let me make sure I'm in frame. Oh my goodness, name it. Where's that? Okay, I think that's all right. Okay, so first of all, we have a little mixing. It is porcelain, so that's kind of nice. It's really small, so I'm not sure how useful that's going to be, but it's cute. We have some washi tape here that says Grabie on it. You know, it might be something you could use to hold down your watercolor paper, perhaps. Yeah, it's not something I would. What is it anyway? It's not sticky. Does it come apart? Oh, you know what? I have no idea what this is. It doesn't seem to have a backing that comes off of it, at least not easily. But it's not sticky at all, so I have no idea what this would be. Oh, look at this. 12 watercolors. So that's always fun. It's a nice little tin, kind of like an Altoids tin. Oh, it's got a little swatch here, swatch for doing the colors, and they kind of have a sticky on the back of them. Let's see here. So cobalt teal blue, yellow ochre, tough purple, and Indian red. So that would be that first row. I'm trying to get this stuff stuck back in here to where it's matching up with what we have here. Sap green, yep. Okay, and then this one, you know, things happen in shipping. What are you gonna do, huh? Let's see, indigo, ivory black, olive green, probably that way. Okay, so these appear to be, oh, it says autumn colors. I was gonna say they appear to be more muted type colors, except for this one blue. But yeah, it says autumn colors, so that's the palette. Grabie autumn colors. So, well, that'll be fun. What do we have here? Oil pastels. I have never worked with oil pastels. I have never worked with pastels at all. So this might be a fun project for later. It's all in Chinese. or Chinese, yeah. Well, oh, it does have English here. I have to get my glasses to see what that says, but Yeah, I've never worked with oil pastels, but you know, some of you might think, oh, this is awesome. You know, it might be fun for a multimedia project to get those out and see what happens. May the art be with you. Ah. So the September art box includes, oh, see, now I didn't get this the last time. Watercolor pocket set of 12 autumn colors. Vintage watercolor sketchbook, and we haven't seen that yet. 100% cotton watercolor coloring sheets. Miniature detail paint brush. Exclusive travel brush. Art tape. That must be what this is, but I still don't understand art tape. It's not sticky. This backing must come off. But yeah, I'm not going to take forever on video trying to figure that out. A water-based twin marker set of 5. A soft oil pastel set of 12. And a 7-well ceramic paint palette. So, yeah, this is nice. So, here's the watercolor book, 15 sheets. It's 8.3 inches by 5.8 inches, 100% cotton. So, yeah, that's great. Does it say? Doesn't say if it's cold press or hot press, so let's just take a look. We can figure that out ourselves, can't we? I love these. I like the smaller. Oh, it has, can you see that? It has pictures on it that you can paint. It already has like a sketch on it. Oh, huh. Yeah, they're all pictures. Well, that's interesting. Well, that would be kind of fun. That's a fun little project. It's all autumn themed pictures. Can you see that? I think you can. Yeah. So that's a little rabbit. What's a rabbit got to do with autumn? Don't know. But yeah. I can't figure out what that is. Maybe it's a squirrel. Anyway, so yeah, that'll be kind of fun. Oh, and here is the sketchbook that they talked about. So this is, I think it's kind of a faux leather cover. It's got a closure here. It's got a pocket here and some little places you could slip something in. And yeah. Don't know what that would be for. Yeah, sketch paper. It would be, I don't think it would work real well with maybe a very light watercolor, but definitely sketching. Definitely sketching. Yeah, so that's nice. I like that. And what's this? Did I see this on the list? I don't recall. Little charms. So one is a key. I like that. And the other one is a plane. So yeah, those will, I'm sure those will find their way into a journal at some point. And here we have the brush. That is an interesting handle. It's kind of ergonomic, I guess. And just a little, you can see, it's a little, I hope I've been in frame, guys. Yeah. And this must be the travel. How does it open? Okay. Usually they just pull. Oh, maybe it's screw. Oh, it screws. Okay, yeah, it's a screw. So that's kind of nice, though. Oh, that looks like a nice point on that. Yeah, nice little travel one. I don't have any of those, so yeah, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. And this was the live color. And of course, it's you know, autumn type color. So yeah, I think it has a finer point to it as well. So yeah, that's that is it. So yeah, we have a vintage sketchbook, 12 watercolor, autumn color, a little pocket set, watercolor coloring sheets, which were these. Detail brush, travel brush. That's really nice. I like that. Art tape, which again, I'm not sure what that's about. A twin marker set, water-based twin marker set. It says set of 5. I only got 1. Huh. The oil pastels and the ceramic palette. And then these cute little charms, which are not listed, so that was just an additional thing that they threw in. So yeah, I'll have to contact them about the twin marker set of 5 because I only got 1 of those. But all in all, it's a pretty good little mystery box for September. So yeah, I'm gonna have fun playing with some of these things, and you know, maybe we'll do some mixed media using the oil pastels. I've never used that kind of thing before, so that'll be fun. So thanks for joining me today, guys. If you saw that you like this set and what's in it, head over to Grabie. I'm sure you could probably buy just the September box. I'm not not totally for sure, especially since it's still September. But maybe after September, if they still have some, you can get it. I'm not sure how it all works, but you can contact them to find out. This was not sponsored by them. I paid for this myself. So yeah, they don't even know I exist. So anyway, thanks for joining me today. And until next time, take care of you. Love each other, and I hope to see you again. Bye.